Adeem's 40% capex subsidy? You've fallen into a trap. Today, I'm exposing the 5 fatal mistakes in French subsidy applications, all learned through hard-won insider experience. A 40% equipment subsidy sounds incredibly tempting, enough to transform any project's ROI. But without understanding the hidden rules, this isn't just a failure, it's a massive financial trap. Many people naively think that simply sending a server list to ADEME is enough to get paid. Only after months of effort do they find out they failed to meet even the most basic compliance metrics. This loses you more than just the subsidy. It wastes months of your team's critical preparation time. Many DePIN projects depend on this cash flow to survive. When the subsidy is denied, the project collapses. Don't let your hard work end up as waste paper in the French official archives. Listen closely. Never make these 5 mistakes. Error 1. Ignoring PUE metrics. In France, if your PUE isn't 1.05 or lower, your application goes straight to the shredder. Error 2. Signing contracts before the application date. To the French government, this proves you didn't need the subsidy to begin with. Error 3. Vague energy recovery plans. If you can't clearly prove how heat is reused, ADEME will flag it as an attempt to game the system. Error 4. Overlooking the incentive effect. You must prove the project literally cannot start without this funding. Error 5. Underestimating compliance costs. Professional legal and audit fees aren't expenses. They're your ticket to the game. These details are the difference between a multi-million euro check and a cold rejection letter. The real secret, Adeem doesn't care about your compute power. They care about your energy revolution impact. Only by converting compute into heat do you truly align with the French government's core objectives. Our 1.2 megawatt industrial node in Vitry-sur-Seine was approved based on this exact hardcore logic. With 120 H200 units, every cent was backed by real data. Absolutely no speculative hype allowed. A real ROI calculation requires precisely 225 formulas. This is the core of our digital ROI calculator. Don't be a speculator, be an industrialist. That is the ultimate secret to securing ADEME funding. By avoiding these 5 traps, you can save millions in capex costs right from the start. Remember, winning a French subsidy isn't a lottery. It's a highly professional, systemic, technical operation. If this helped you avoid a trap, please like and subscribe for more hard-hitting business insights. Leave your experiences or questions in the comments. Let's start the conversation. See you in the next one.